Hello guys, so as I said before in my previous video, I'm going to explain about examples from the six trig ratios. So this is review for now. So over here, this is theta, and this angle is 90 degrees. You guys should already know that. And now for sine. So remember, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is here. It's the side that's across from theta. And hypotenuse is the largest side of a triangle, which is across from 90 degrees. For example, let's say that this equals 9, equals 3, and that's 4. So the sine of this triangle would be opposite, so it will be sine of theta. It will be 3 over 9. So sine of theta will equal, in reduced form, 1 over 3. So this is sine, opposite over hypotenuse. For the next example, cosine. Now remember, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is the side that's next to theta. So here's theta, and this is adjacent in orange. And the hypotenuse is the one in pink, that's the largest side of the triangle. So let's do the same, like this is 9, 3, 4. So cosine of theta adjacent over hypotenuse. So 4 is adjacent. It's the adjacent side because it's the side next to theta. So it'll be 4 over 9. 9 is the hypotenuse. Let me highlight this. Get helpful. No, that's 9. That's the hypotenuse. And 4 is this color, orange, because that's the adjacent side. Now for tangent. Tangent is opposite or adjacent. So that's theta. Now the opposite is the side that's across from theta. And adjacent is the side that's next to theta. So this is same as last time. This side would be 9, 3, this is 4. So opposite over adjacent. So 3 is the side that's opposite from theta. So tangent of theta will be 3 over 4, because 4 is the side that's adjacent. It's 4. It's 3. 3 is the side that's opposite. Now for cosecant. So cosecant is 1 over sine, which is hypotenuse, over opposite. Remember, it's the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant of theta will equal to, so this side is 9, 3, 4. So 9 is the hypotenuse, and 4 is the adjacent. Oops, sorry. The 3 is hypotenuse. Not adjacent. It's a hypotenuse over opposite. So the answer will be 9 over 3. And of course, this is theta. So the answer is 3 because 9 divided by 3 is 3. So cosecant of theta is 3. Now for secant. Secant is 1 over cosine, which is hypotenuse, over adjacent. So this is theta. And 9, 3, 4. So the hypotenuse is 9. And the adjacent is 4. So secant of theta equals 9 over 4, which is the reciprocal of cosine. Now for cotangent. Cotangent equals 1 over tangent, which would be adjacent or opposite. So this side over here is adjacent, and this side is opposite. So cotangent of theta. So this side is 9, 3, and 4. So cotangent of theta is this theta. It will be 4 over 3. So these are the examples for the 6 trig ratios. So this is cotangent, which is reverse of tangent. Secant is the reverse of cosine. And cosecant is the reverse of sine. So just would go over these, and I recommend you to do more practice problems if you're having trouble on these 6 trig ratios, and because these are the basics of pre-calculus.